Thinking about launching your own online store? You're in exactly the right spot. I've got access to a special Shopify deal that gives you 3 full months for just $1, way better than the standard offer. To unlock it, just click the first link in the description. That's important. It's the only way to activate this extended trial. After clicking the link, you'll land on a sign-up page where the deal is applied automatically. You'll also get a 3-day free trial right up front, no strings attached. Enter your email and hit Start Free Trial to begin. Next, re-enter your email, create a password, and click Create Your Account. You'll go through a quick onboarding flow. Don't overthink it. These questions can be updated later, so just choose what fits your plans for now. Then you'll decide whether you're starting fresh or migrating from a platform like WooCommerce. Now it's time to tell Shopify what you plan to sell. They support everything from handmade items, digital products, and dropshipping to services and custom designs. Not sure yet? No worries, you can skip and decide later. To activate your extended trial, pick a Shopify plan. I recommend starting with the basic plan. It's packed with essential features. If you've got a team or expect to grow fast, the Grow plan might be worth it. Now enter your billing info. You won't be charged until after your extended trial ends. Once you confirm, your 3-month Shopify trial is officially live.
Time to start building your store. Shopify's got you covered with an easy drag-and-drop editor, mobile-friendly design, one-click apps, and top-notch support when you need it. And that's it. You've unlocked the special Shopify deal. If you haven't already, hit that first link in the description to claim your offer. This is the perfect way to launch your online store without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one.